Beatnikpress.us presents The Anonymous Interviews.
Government corruption is out of control. Stacking up profits, selling our souls, selling our freedom, selling our minds. How sick is this shit?
Thank you for meeting with Anonymous today, Mr. Sinclair. What is the difference between the 1930s marijuana stand act and today's medical marijuana movement?
The idea was you could register and buy a marijuana tax stamp, but it was illegal to possess the marijuana, so if you bought the stamp, you were incriminating yourself as a possessor. I'm a believer in legalization of all recreational drugs and drug use. I've been failed to be persuaded that the government or the police have any business with what goes on inside our heads. It's none of their motherfucking business. And to arrest us for what we do to get where we want to be inside of our heads, it's just unbelievable to me. It's just way beyond... it's inhuman. The marijuana laws are worse because even within their scheme of things and their hatred of drugs, so-called, and their real hatred of you altering your consciousness without a doctor's prescription or without the stamp of authority, it doesn't harm anyone. No one's ever died from smoking marijuana. It has only positive effects. It has no deleterious effects at all that I've ever been able to ascertain. I've been smoking marijuana every day for 50 years.
To get a copy of this episode of The Anonymous Interviews for only 99 cents, please visit www.beatnikpress.us.